If you are an Android phone user, then this video is for you, because this video can save your phones from getting a very dangerous malware called the DAAM malware. In a few more minutes, you'll know why I said that DAAM malware is very dangerous. So basically in this video, I'm going to talk about two things. The first thing I'm going to tell you guys is what will happen when this malware enters your smartphone. And the second thing I'm going to tell you is from what sources does this malware enters your phone and how you can be safe from DAAM malware. Again, I suggest you guys to watch this video till the end, because this video is really very important. So before starting the video, my name is Aryan and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Aryan Tech Square. So let's begin this video. Number 1. What happens when this malware enters your smartphone? According to an Indian agency called CERT, this malware is capable of hacking into your sensitive data such as call recordings and contacts, gaining access to your camera, modifying passwords, stealing SMS, downloading and uploading files, and much more. And do you know what the most shocking thing is? That DAAM malware is even capable of bypassing your antivirus apps. So here's a point to note that once your phone gets infected by this malware, it is almost impossible to get it out of your phone without losing your data. Number 2. What sources attract DAAM malware to enter your phone and how can you be safe from it? Okay, now that you know that even antivirus softwares cannot keep your phone safe, then how can you keep your phone safe? Well, you can keep your phone safe by not doing these 3 things. Number 1. Downloading third-party apps. Do not download any application or modded application from unknown websites and apps. Only download apps from the Google Play Store. Number 2. Visiting dangerous websites. Well, you should never visit any unknown websites because they can bring malware into your device. Always use a VPN before going into a suspicious website and visit only those websites which have HTTPS before their URL, because they are safe. And finally, number 3, clicking on unauthorized URLs. The links or the URLs which contain malware are sent through your phones via SMS. If you receive a SMS from the bank, then at the sender's profile there will be the bank's ID, and if not, then it's a scam message. You must be extra careful when you see these kind of short form URLs in your SMS. Well, you can check whether a link is safe or not by just copying and pasting that link onto a URL checker app. Now obviously you can find thousands of URL checker apps in the Play Store. Just go and download them and be safe. Now that's it for this video. Let's catch up in the next one, and don't forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel. So if you like this video, then you must watch these 2 videos also, because they are related to this topic only. So if you're interested, watch these 2 videos also.